Subtraction of similar fraction. Example, we have 3 over 5 minus 1 over 5. So, since same lang naman sila ng denominator, copy lang natin siya. We have 5. And then, proceed tayo dun sa taas, no? Subtract 3 and 1. So, 3 minus 1, that is 2. Final answer natin, 2 over 5. Another example is 3 and 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3. So, dito, merong whole number. Okay? Ang gawin natin siyang improper fraction. So, paano mangyari yon? Multiply natin yung denominator sa whole number. 3 times 3, that is 9, plus 1, that is 10 over 3. So, kinapi lang natin yung whole number. Yung denominator rather. Minus 2 over 3. Okay, so na-convert na natin to improper fraction tong isa. So, pwede na tayong mag-proceed to subtraction. 10 minus 2, that is 8. Then, copy lang natin yung denominator, which is 3. So, final answer natin ay 8 over 3. Or pwede pa rin naman natin siyang kunin yung kanyang mixed number. So, paano mangyari yan? 8 divided by 3. Ilang 3 meron sa 8? Dalawa. Okay, then ang remainder niya ay dalawa din over 3. Kinapi lang natin yung denominator. So, para i-check, multiply natin 3 times 2, that is 6, plus 2, 8. Same dito. Okay, so final answer natin is 2 and 2 over 3, or pwede rin naman na to, no? 8 over 3.